Okay, guys, that was a really boring and bad start. We'll try again. Okay, guys, chapter summaries for Great Gatsby. These are my tips of what you need to include in those chapter summaries. Now, I've posted on the blog who's got to do what chapter, and I've put the link up to the Google Doc where you got to put your information and you can collaborate with other people. So it just gets down to now what should go in that. Every summary, I believe, should have the following things. You should have a list of the plot events or the things that happen to the characters throughout the narrative, right? Which is the technical way of saying story. Example: Tom and Nick meet up with Myrtle and arrange to go to the city, page 20. All right. I include page numbers with everything, so it's easier to find. However, this one, I made that up because I couldn't be bothered getting the book out of my bag and finding it. You should also include key quotes. These are the key things that characters say. For example, in describing Daisy, Nick Carraway said her voice was like money on page whatever. I'll give you 10 points if you can work out what I've done wrong there. There is a mistake in that. And no, it's not with the quote. Next thing and the last thing is that you should include wonderings, questions, or personal insights that you think or wonder about while you're reading. Right, there's no point putting in something that is explicitly stated. Right, this is your deeper thinking that you're making up or working out yourself. For example, I like to use question marks for questions. Why are these people so full of rubbish on page whatever? Or stars for kind of my insights. Jordan and Daisy are behaving like immature and overdramatic girls rather than the grown ladies that they actually are. My top tips. Whatever you write down in your summary, put a page number next to it. Makes life easier. Now, according to Ash Ketchum, using a more visual arrangement, including colour and images, will make it easier for you to remember what you include in your summary. And that makes sense to me. I like to do it on loose leaf paper and take notes as you are reading, not after you've read. Alright, it's much easier. Now, this is my example of a more visual arrangement using colour. I'm sure you can do better than that, but that's what I got. And that's it. That's our chapter summary tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.